Today, I'm going to share a game-changing approach to getting better results from AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. If you've ever been frustrated by generic or underwhelming AI responses, and we probably all have, then this video is for you. We've all been there, typing something like, give me some blog ideas, and getting bland, generic, unhelpful suggestions, while watching others seemingly get brilliant, Shakespearean, tailored content with what looks like magic. But here's the thing, effective prompting is really a skill that needs to be learned and developed. And today I'm going to teach you our 4Cs framework that can transform how you interact with AI. The 4Cs framework consists of creativity, starting with a strong, well-defined idea. The more unique and specific your concept is, the better the output will be. This is where human insight remains extremely crucial to a good result. Context. Provide relevant background information. Explain the why behind your request, your audience, and your goals in as much detail as possible. Constraints. Set clear boundaries and requirements. Define precisely what the AI should focus on and what it should avoid. This helps keep responses on track and relevant. Clarity. Use precise language and specific instructions about the format and structure that you want. Again, the clearer you are, the more targeted the response. There's a pattern developing here. So let's see this in action and give some examples. A bad prompt might read, give me social media post ideas. Whereas a good prompt using our 4Cs framework would say, create 5 engaging Instagram post ideas for a local coffee shop highlighting seasonal drinks. The shop is in a college town, and their audience is primarily students and young professionals who really value sustainability and supporting local businesses. Focus on the Reels format, avoiding generic coffee facts, and let's make sure each idea can be created with just a smartphone. We want to format each idea with a concept title, brief description, suggested visual ideas, and an example caption with relevant hashtags. All right, that's a long prompt, but again, the more detailed, the better the output will be. This framework works because it gives the AI the specific information it needs to personalize responses. It helps eliminate vagueness that can lead to generic outputs, and it also helps guide the tool towards your exact requirements. A couple last bonus tips to supercharge your results. Don't be afraid to ask for help with prompting. Your AI tool can suggest how it prefers to be prompted for specific tasks. Also, play around with different AI models. Gemini is great at research, Claude is great at analysis, for example. It's also helpful if you upload some of your own data. This can lead to more customized responses. In the end, you want to treat AI conversations as ongoing dialogues, refining as you go. The difference between a frustrating experience with AI and a magical one often comes down with how well you communicate your needs. The 4Cs framework helps you get more valuable, targeted, and useful results every time. Try applying these principles in your next chat with an AI tool and watch how dramatically the quality can improve. Remember, the most powerful AI tool isn't the latest model, it is your ability to ask questions effectively. If you're interested in more tips like this, hit the subscribe button and follow all of our content on webfx.com if you're interested in the latest insights on marketing and AI. Thanks for watching.